Hello, this is Todd.
Hi, am I speaking with Todd?
This is Todd.
Hi, Todd. Good morning. Todd, my name is Subra. Would you be disappointed, Todd, if I said this was a cold call?
No.
All right. So how about I'll take 20
I'm in
seconds.
sales.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm in sales. I do cold calling all the time. What can I help you with?
I'll take 20 seconds. If it's not relevant, we'll just hang up there. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll make it quick. So, Todd, I'm looking to work with mortgage professionals who are ideally looking for more growth, but they are caught up with existing business. So they don't have the time and focus to, build new realtor referral partnerships. And that's the biggest bottleneck. That's the type of people I'm looking for. Do you feel like that's a relevant situation for you by any chance or not at all?
Sure. I mean, I I can always use help, but I mean,
How does that
um,
how does that look like in your world? Like, you needing more help with realtor referral partners. Like, do you have enough, would you say, or not exactly to the point, quality issue? How would you define that?
um, I mean, I'm always looking for avenues for more business. I mean, it's just I'm
Mm-hmm. Go
I've
ahead.
been doing this a long time, so it just there has to be value add for me, and
Mm-hmm.
has to be impactful.
Got
So
it.
I didn't just start doing this 2 years ago. I've
Of
been doing
course.
this for 30 years.
And that's
So
the reason I'm reaching out, right? I would not be reaching out to you if you're not already doing good enough, right? I understand that. I mean, like, it sounds like you're looking for like an ROI positive kind of situation and also like, something that actually meets your reputation standards, right? Would that be fair to say?
yeah,
Okay.
100%.
Yeah, got it. I'll give you a brief overview. Tell me if it makes sense, and then we can talk about next steps. What we do is pretty much, prospecting on your behalf. So we set up a new marketing campaign while you keep doing your existing business venture, and we reach out and keep filtering new realtors in the area who does at least 8+ buyer sites annually, and then we keep filtering the people based on how receptive are they to having new collaboration conversations, and then pretty much we build an entire campaign, guide you through that campaign so that the realtors who does proper business and also are vibing with you are the ones that you actually get to spend time with, and not actually just any realtor who might not be worthy of the pursuit. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are a prospecting service, like appointment setting and stuff like that, and building the marketing campaign. That's what we do. We're an agency. And if you are interested to explore this, what we can do is I'll give you a brief overview about us as well. I'm actually calling you from India. How shocking is that?
I mean, not very shocking in
That
today's world.
So
I,
we are actually, yeah, sorry to interrupt you there, but we are actually based in India and Denmark, and our entirely team is remote. And what we have structured is like, we have a introductory call, which is focused on the process specifically for you to get access to the information on what it looks like on the back end, not at all about the pricing and that. Only once both of us are on board with the idea of how we are doing it, so that we can see the reputation is intact or not, then we can schedule a longer call, which can be focused on the ROI part of it, like investments and stuff like that. Does that sound good enough for you?
well, I mean, so I am not looking for, like, I don't have the time or energy to be dealing with what I mean, not just to be frank, like bullshit leads. I don't have the time and energy for that. I'm
Got it.
already busy.
Yeah.
If
Uh,
I am going to do anything,
mm-hmm.
it is going to be working with realtors or clients that are buying their second and third homes,
Okay.
not their first homes.
So you don't work with first-time home buyers
I'm
at all?
not looking. I do, but I just don't have the time and energy to babysit
Ah,
a bunch of new clients
yeah.
that come in. I will work with them if they are referrals to me from my existing partners.
Mm-hmm.
I will work with them all day long.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not the business that I'm going after to build my business
Got it.
and expand it. So I
Makes
don't
sense.
want any part of having to work with 50 new first-time home buyers. I don't have the time and energy to do that.
Got it. So, I mean, when you just so I'm on the same page as well, when you say that, I'm not looking to deal with these first-time home buyers, are you, by any chance, did I miscommunicate that we are gonna be providing you buyer leads and stuff like that, or Did you understand that we are actually talking about getting new realtors and we can customize the realtor introductions based on?
If you can figure, so I specialize. I don't know how much you know about the industry,
Mm-hmm.
whatnot. If you're just marketing, but what you know about the mortgage industry,
Mm-hmm.
my 70% of what I do is working with doctors.
Doctors. Got it.
So doctors get special loan programs,
Mm.
and and the bank that I work for
Uh-huh.
has a special program for doctors.
Okay. Which bank are you working with right now? Like you are working for?
Fifth,
Sorry?
Fifth Third, Fifththird, Fifth
Fifth
Third
Third.
Bank.
Fifth Third Bank. Okay. So you're working with the bank and bank has an option for doctors and that's what you prioritize.
That's what I specialize in.
Got it.
I currently pay for marketing
Mm-hmm.
for the physician loan space.
Got it. How does that look
So,
like? Are you like running any? Sorry to interrupt again. I'm just trying to understand. Are you like directly using Google Ads, Facebook Ads, stuff like that, or are we talking about Zillow?
I pay. There's a company that does all of that,
Uh-huh.
and they provide me leads. So I am paying a company that works with doctors for other services, but
Uh-huh.
one of the things they provide is mortgage piece of it.
Got it.
So I pay on it. I mean, they just
Mm-hmm.
send me leads and I call on them.
Understood.
So but the ROI is very good on it.
I understand. It makes sense.
So,
It makes sense. Yeah.
It makes sense to do that.
Yeah.
If I had my own platform
Mm-hmm.
that was bringing those, because I'm not the only one that gets those leads.
Mm.
They
So
go to three
can,
or four.
I understand that. I'm sorry to interrupt because I think I kind of understand what's going on there. I think So what percentage of your business is actually coming from realtor referrals, like other MLOs? Is it equal or less?
Oh, way less. 10%,
10%.
20%, maybe.
Yeah, so I think it actually would not benefit you to even consider exploring ways to get more realtors. I think what would actually benefit you is to actually, as you said, right, you are paying someone else to build these, send these leads to you, but they're also sending it to other people. It's a similar situation like how Zillow sends it to like 10, 15 people, right? And you gotta work through that. What I think would benefit you is to have a system set up where you can directly reach to these doctors and they can directly contact you. The same system that the other company might be using, that you mostly is going to be using Facebook ads or Google ads. If you can set up that infrastructure within your like in your system and CRM, I think that would be much more valuable than getting more realtors for you, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an ROI. It's what
Yeah.
am I going to get out of it?
Yeah, absolutely, it
And
makes
what's it
sense.
going to cost me?
Yeah,
So,
see, ideally,
I mean,
yeah, please go ahead.
if I spend $1,000 a month
Mm-hmm.
and get one loan closing out of it, the ROI works for me.
Uh-huh.
But if I spend $1,000 a month and get nothing out of it,
Uh-huh.
it
I understand.
but it doesn't
Makes
do a
sense.
whole lot for beneficial to me.
I understand that. So let me give you some clarity on this, the model side of it. Ideally, we used to do that, like, direct buyer, direct lead gen for MLOs was something that we used to do last year, like more than like, 8 months back. And then we pivoted more so as a prime focus with realtor referral partnership generation for MLOs. But what I would like to do is, I don't know how that would look like, right? I don't know the ROI possibilities. So I would like to first of all have a conversation, but more so with the focus of actually giving you the system and set it up for you and understanding what that would look like in your situation. How many teammates do you have? Are you going to do it all by yourself? And more so like setting that system up for you, because I think there's a big value for you there, given if you have the time to, follow through the system. And also, this is not a primary thing. So I might not be even, proposing a service with us, but I will be interested to helping you out set the system so you can at least see how that alternative looks like for you.
Okay.
Yeah. I would actually like to have a call with you maybe day after tomorrow.
I should have some free time tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon, let me Let me check. I have 2 calls tomorrow. Give me 1 minute. Grace is 9:30 EST and 11 a.m. EST. So tomorrow afternoon, you said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometime, like, anytime after 11.
Can we do 1 p.m.?
Yeah.
All right.
Just call me at this number. I should be.
It will actually be a Zoom call. Ideally, I want to show you the backend that we already have experience with. That way you can see what that looks like, and then we can actually understand if this even makes sense for you.
Okay.
Okay? Zoom call it will be. I will send the confirmation. Can you share your email with me quickly? I'll send the invite there.
It's todd.com.
Okay. Yeah, Todd, I will see you tomorrow then, 1 p.m. Eastern.
All right.
Yep, appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Yep, cheers. Looking forward. Bye-bye.